guys, what is up? It's your girl Simone here. Today in this video, I wanted to talk to you guys about my Invisaligns and bring you on the journey with me. So, I obviously have them in now. I can't talk. My mouth, I feel like, looks a little bigger. But before we even get to that point, okay, in this video, you're going to see me from the start to up until today with my Invisalign process. The first half of the video was all recorded in March, and I just got my Invisaligns. It's May now. I got my Invisaligns on Friday, which was the 15th. So that was my first day of starting it. I'm still on tray number 1. The first 2 days were painful. I don't know why I never associated pain with Invisaligns, but it was so painful. A lot of you guys helped me out on Instagram, especially my editor Bree. She was giving me all the advice because I was ready to quit. This thing hurt, like it hurt so bad, but it came out. It's fine now. It doesn't hurt as much until the next set of trays. So the next set of trays would be on the 21st, which is on Friday. So back to pain, and then I have my appointments on the 25th where I check back in with the dentist. So yes, but the reason why I did Invisaligns and the reason why I chose it is I just feel like braces, it's not bad for some people, but it's not for me. It's just not the option that I wanted for myself. I don't like braces. I don't want it for me, and I just felt like certain people have a mouth for braces. I feel like I don't. I feel like, you know, but then again, with the Invisaligns, it makes my mouth look a little bit more protruded. Like I look like I have like a mouth guard in my mouth. Like my mouth just feels puffier than normal. I am having a hard time smiling normally. I am having a hard time taking photos. I am having a hard time talking, and I hate taking it out and putting it back in because it does actually hurt. But I chose Invisaligns because I figured it just would be, it matches my lifestyle a little bit more than braces would. I originally wanted veneers, as you guys know from Instagram, and everyone was like, don't do it. And then my dentist, he just wasn't going to do it regardless. So my only option was to do the Invisaligns. I am going to go ahead and do some bonding on my teeth afterwards, which will give me the Invisalign look, I mean the veneer look. But as of right now, I am just doing the Invisaligns to fix the small gaps and spaces. Alright, so some people would say my teeth are fine. There wasn't much wrong with them, but there was a gap on my left side that I absolutely hated, and the more I edit my videos and the more I look in the mirror and the more I see it and the more it just drives me nuts. You guys know this. I never smile on my left side because I just hate, this side is just so different to me. But so I had a gap there. I wanted to only fix that, but then I also had a teeny gap down here. So let's move up a little bit. Okay. So if you see, oh, these are the buttons that she's talking about, like these little things that she put on my teeth to hold the Invisaligns in place. And this gap right here is the main reason why I have Invisalign. It's to close that. My whole nail used to be able to fit through it, and I guess now it can't fit. I do feel like my two front teeth, since I put the Invisaligns on, have definitely moved closer to each other. Okay. Okay, and we're also gonna fix this little tiny gap right there, and then this little gap right here. I'm not taking those off. So yeah, that was the reason why I got Invisaligns. I hate those little spaces, but I like my teeth. I just wanted to look more like Colgate-y, like more sharp at the bottom, well scrounged at the bottom. So we'll do all that cosmetic work afterwards. So yes, I wanted to take you guys along with me on my Invisalign journey. I'm gonna probably do a new video every time I go back to the dentist. So I was sent home with 3 trays, and I'll probably show you guys the progress in the next video. But let's watch my journey. Hey guys, so I'm going to my Invisalign appointment. So I think the amount was to pay $27.50 today, and then the next 3 payments in 3 installments, but I'm gonna do a little more than half and then divide the last 3 payments just to make my life easier. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna take a lot of photographs of my teeth. I don't know what to expect. Let's just see how everything's gonna turn out.
Super excited. And then we're going to put a finer material inside of the putty and place it back into your mouth.
Okay.
I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free? Take a walk with me outside. Tell me everything about you. Yeah, 'cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever. Yeah, anywhere you wanna go. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold. You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah, 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 yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough.
Now you feel you have the buttons down here.
Oh, yeah.
Yep,
I
yep,
did
yep.
feel that. Okay.
I'm gonna pop the top off. So this is tray number 1. And also, if you ever, if you're out somewhere, you're grabbing a snack, I have a little retainer for you to put them in. You do not want to place them in a napkin. You will throw them away. It will be, and I recommend you to keep, once you change into the next tray, keep the tray before.
Okay.
Just in case something like that happens, you can pop in that tray
Okay.
before. Also, the trays, you can't really see it, but they have little numbers here.
Yeah.
So it'll have L1 or U2, that means lower 1 or upper 2.
Okay.
But you can't really see it, but anyway. So we're gonna pop in the lower. It's gonna be a little snug here, okay?
Okay.
And I'll show you how to pop them in and take them out. So when you put them in, you wanna press down with your fingers. Never bite down on them. They will bend and they'll be flopping around. Do not bite down, so just press around. And you'll figure out how to do it yourself. Everybody does it differently.
Okay.
So it's gonna pop down.
Oh.
So they're all the way seated, so it feels nice and
Snug.
snug. So remember to press down, make sure they're all the way in. And when you pop them out, some people pop them out from the inside.
Okay.
Some people pop them out like that.
Okay.
Some people pop them out on the outside. So whatever you're comfortable with. Same thing with the uppers. You're just gonna, you can start from the middle and just kind of work your way around.
Oh, wow.
Kind of tight, right? Yeah, I know.
Wow. Oh my god.
Yeah, and so with the uppers, you can kind of pop them out from the, just like that.
Okay.
But never bite down on them. Make sure that they're all the way in, just like that. And so you're gonna wear these trays 22 to 24 hours a day.
Okay.
If you take them out and you forget about them, you can forget about the whole treatment.
Okay.
So you're gonna wear them 24 to 22 hours a day. To clean them, we have some little cleaning crystals here, but also we have.
What if you grind your teeth? Does that mess them up?
You wear a night guard at night, or you just
No.
no? So your teeth are not touching, like see how they're like.
Oh, okay.
It's not gonna be only when you take them out, your teeth will go back to, because they're the top is moving differently than the bottom, so they're not gonna be able to touch each other while you have the trays in. And to clean them, we have these little cleaning crystals. You don't have to use a lot. Just put a little bit in some cold water. Just like little. Yep. Okay. And you can just put it in some cold water and just let it sit there. Do not brush them with Listerine, toothpaste, none of that stuff.
How often do I clean it?
You can clean it every time, like before you go to bed. After you eat, you can rinse them out and just let them sit there. And then these little crystals. If you run out of these, you can go in any oral section of the store by the denture cleaners. Some of them come in little tablets, some of them come in little. But just put a little bit in there, some cold water. Okay. But hydrogen peroxide keeps them very clear. A lot of people, they eat curly and stuff like that, and they come back with yellow trays.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, don't be one of them.
Okay, gotcha.
This is your little case. You're gonna carry this in your pocketbook.
Okay.
Do not put them in a napkin, like I said. Just keep them in here. Okay. This little booklet here explains some more stuff about Invisalign. Also, we do have an Invisalign app. You can track your progress.
Oh, okay.
And it'll show you the stages. Like, say if you want to skip to week 7, it'll show you how your teeth will look then.
Oh,
and you can
okay.
skip all the way to week 10, and you can see the gaps closed.
Okay, gotcha.
And if also when you look at the app, if there's something you don't like, whenever you come in for your checkup visits, you can let us know so we can go ahead and order more trays for you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And that's about all with Invisalign.
Wow, what a feeling. So I take it out when I eat.
When you eat, you can leave it in when you're drinking water and stuff. Nothing hot.
So coffee, take
like
it
coffee,
out?
yeah, you have to take it out when you drink coffee. You drink hot coffee or
Both?
both? Not hot coffee. Take it out. It's gonna melt the tray. You're gonna be,
okay. So I keep this tray on for how long?
Let me ask Dr. Misa. Do one moment.
Okay.
Dr. Misa, can you come to room 15, please? Dr. Misa, I have your Invisalign patient. He's probably gonna recommend you to wear them 2 weeks, so maybe 20 weeks, but I'm not sure. I know some dentists, all the dentists here, they're all different, so he may say 1 week, he may say 2 weeks.
Okay. Do you get used to this feeling?
Yeah, so every time, so when it's time to change to tray 2, it's gonna be tight again.
Oh, okay.
But it'll loosen up by the time it's ready. In a week, it'll loosen up. So today's Friday, so before next Friday, it'll start getting loose.
Okay, gotcha.
And then once you put it in tray 2, it's gonna get snug again.
Okay, gotcha.
Don't take any Motrin or anything like that. That Motrin stops like inflammation and stuff like that. And right now your teeth are moving, so it's causing inflammation. So don't take any Motrin or anything like that.
Oh, okay.
It'll stop it from.
Okay.
So just.
It's been 2 hours since 2 hours. Since I had these on, and they fucking hurt. Okay, they hurt bad. Okay, it feels like my teeth. Oh. So it didn't hurt as bad when I gotta take these shits off. It didn't hurt as bad. It's like throbbing as I'm talking to you guys. So it didn't hurt, but I was so hungry that I had to eat. So I took them off, and then I put them back on. And it feels like, I guess because it's pulling my teeth a certain way, it hurts so bad. But to take it off, I couldn't chew properly because I felt weird. So then after I finished eating, I took it off. Putting it back on, the pain came back, but it's a different type of pain. Like, oh my God, this actually feels like it's like a heartbeat in my gums. It fucking hurts. This hurts. Okay?